Guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to remove app from Wix. So let's go to the Wix dashboard first. This is Wix dashboard. Also in Wix dashboard you have to go to scroll down and you'll find here apps, this one. Now click on manage apps. Now you can see all of your apps here. If you want to delete one apps, you have to click on this three dot and you'll find here delete option. Click on delete. Your apps will be deleted. Again, I'm showing you, you have to click on beside the three dot, this one, and you'll find here delete option. Click on delete and your apps will be deleted. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.